Welcome back to Trish Fashion DIY. Today I'm going to be making a string lampshade. So what you will need is a balloon or ball, some string or wool. That's just, I got two from the pound shop for £1, or was it £1.50? Because they tend to rip you off. Anyway, PVA glue, or in other countries it's sometimes called Mod Podge. I'm going to use this cut off tub from a plastic bottle, just any tub will do, a brush or a lollipop stick, like to spread the glue, whatever. Right, so I've got some water in there, and then I'm going to fill equal parts of PVA. Whee! We can always add more. Let's stir that. Sorry. I've been wanting to do this for ages, so maybe I added too much water. Oopsies. Right. You don't want it too watery. I can't pour. That's what I mean. You can't take away. You can just add more. Right. Let's make it. Oh, why did I do that? Now I've ruined the paste. Right, you don't want it too watery. Basically, add your water later. Right, like a bit like a paper mache mixture. So don't make the same mistake as I did. Right, then I'm going to just put the string in. Oh, I forgot to do something. Right. First you're going to mark on your balloon, so let's use that to the top. So that's where the light bulb is going to go through, so just a circle around there, because you're going to avoid this part with the string. Okay, and then obviously you need an opening for the light, so let's do the string up to there, so a circle nicely round, all the way around where your light bulbs, but your light bulb should be in the centre, shouldn't it? Right, let's start. So we're just going to start wrapping that round. Oh, you might want to put a tablecloth on your nice table as well, so you don't have to deal with the spillages later. But it's too late for me now, so I'm just going to carry on wrapping. So, what's everyone been up to? If you're in the UK, the weather's not been great, but you know, rain's not going to melt you, is it? And then you can do more indoor craft projects, I guess. If you don't have to work, you know. Some people have to work out in the rain. What am I rambling on about? Right. So it's kind of try and keep that the centre that we marked off free. Could also knot the beginning and not the end. So just keep wrapping, wrapping, wrapping. It's very messy work. Maybe wear something old as well, that you don't mind getting glue on. At least it's not super glue. My husband super glued his fingers together once, because he wanted to see how strong it was, and it obviously was quite strong. And then he got an infection on his finger. Anyway, we live and learn. Don't super glue your fingers together. it's strong enough, believe me. Trust me. Alright, keep going. So just keep, look, that looks nice already, doesn't it? So like if you've done paper mache before, you just cover it, every part. You could make a paper mache lampshade as well, couldn't you? But I thought I'd try the string one. So just do it a bit sporadically, go in all the gaps. You don't want to be filling all the holes, like have a big gaping hole somewhere. Want it nice and even. Should put some music on, really. La 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 la. So once you've wrapped your whole balloon in the string, leave it to dry. You might want to just tweak the placement a little bit just to make sure it's totally covered. Leave it to dry and then you should have your lampshade. So thanks for watching. I hope you let it dry for a couple of days. You can pop the balloon. Carefully remove it. You can see that's going to stick to the sides a little bit. I'll show you what it looks like on the light. And there we have it, a finished lampshade. Let me know what you think. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.